What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. I have a few quick announcements to start before we start to escape this tank. As you might see, recognize this logo. I finally came out with merch. It's a 100 subscriber special. It's going to be up for maybe about 30 or so days after the upload of this video. So I got the logo here, and on the back, closest thing I have to a catchphrase. We also made face masks because everybody has to wear them, so it's pretty comfortable, if I'm being honest. So if you want one, go ahead and get it. Link in the description below. Also, before we get started, one more thing. YouTube tells me that not a lot of you guys are subscribed, so if you end up liking my videos, please subscribe. You can always change your mind later. Totally cool by me. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Alright, so behind me here we have the tank. It's got a light on it and all and whatnot. We got everything we need here, except I have a bucket of some pea gravel that we'll put just to add some extra detail, and also some rocks. We have some of our plants here. We got a sponge filter that I can easily cover up with some rocks, which is why I got this, and it also provides a lot of agitation to the surface, and what that means basically is just the water's moving a lot more, and another big plus to it is it also puts a lot of oxygen into the tank. I'll grab an aerator for that in a minute. Here we have a heater, since this is a tropical aquarium, and we got this bag of black sand here, and I'm going to wash it out and put it in 3, 2, 1. Just dump it out into the tank. Okay, now that we got some sand in here, I'm going to go get some rocks to put in the tank, and then we'll go on to our next steps. Alright, we got a bunch of rocks here, and if you saw this video right here, we kind of did like a mound system thing where all the plants were growing out of it and whatnot. Well, what I'm thinking is something kind of like that, which is where we will put this little sponge filter, so it'll be all hidden away, it'll look all nice and clean and everything's good. Actually, on that note, I'm gonna go wash this out real quick. I'm gonna put it up here in this back corner, and then we'll take the rock, or the rocks, and we'll start to hide it back there, and then we're gonna have plants going up, so you really won't see anything back there at all. We're gonna do a bigger mound somewhere more towards the right middle of the tank. That is just about good, and I'm just gonna sprinkle this around just to give a little bit of extra detail. Now that we got all that done, time to fill her up. Let's get it. Alright, we got it all filled up, and water is absolutely crystal clear, looking pretty good. Gotta hook up the aerator, and so basically what I've been doing this entire time, whenever I like washed off the filter or washed off the sand, for example, I just used like normal tap water. And the reason I do this is because whenever I set up a tank, instead of having to go through and to chlorinate it, like all the water every single time, I just do this and then put everything in there. So this is not fish safe water. Just put some in here. Now this entire tank is completely ready for fish, technically. Like if I wanted to, I could put fish in here right now, but I want to let it cycle and get ready. And in part 2 of this, we will be getting fish for the tank, and we actually have a special guest that has never been seen on this channel for the video. So he's one of my good friends. He's going to be coming over and he's going to help me film. We might do some stupid stuff, I don't know. So we get the stress coat in here now, and then another thing I like to use is biological cleaner. And basically this just helps kickstart the tank. So put a bunch in here, and then you're supposed to put in like a certain amount like bi-weekly, just to kind of help the flow of things and help keep the tank going. That is looking pretty good, if I do say so myself. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below, but let me get this ready, put the light on, and do the final reveal. It's finally time. We got everything set up and running. This is it. Lights off. Tank on. In 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh. That is insane. Look at that. That's sick. Dang. Next video, we're getting fish for it. Alrighty guys, that is it for the video. Again, check it out. That is awesome. That's it for the video. Next video, or maybe not next video, but the next video involving this tank, we're going to be getting a whole bunch of fish in it. And again, we have someone new coming to the channel. So if you're excited for that, please be sure to stick around, subscribe, turn on the post notifications. That way you're notified whenever that video comes out. We got a lot of banger videos coming out soon. I want to figure out something new for the outro that's not going to get me copyrighted. So that is it for the video. Love you all so much. Stay positive, and hopefully I will see you guys in that next video. Peace out.